Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Sienna all-wheel drive XLE 7-passenger with the limited package. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 18-inch wheels. Included in your XLE limited package is your touch panel display with integrated navigation and Entune 3.0 app suite. Plus, you have your dual screen Blu-Ray player to keep everybody happy on the exciting road ahead. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features.
Helping you into your Sienna is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate, your power slide doors, and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have your illuminated entry. You also do have your chrome all-wheel drive badging and your turn signal indicator. On your side mirrors there, they are power folding, and you have your blind spot monitor alert, which pops up on the other side. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors, put the keys into my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it will unlock for you. No more fishing for those keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a sophisticated two-tone interior. You have that classic brown leather trim with that contrasting white stitching. You also have your wood grain trim to tie everything together as a motif. You have your power windows, your power locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. There's that power folding option I mentioned before for those city parking spots. You also do have the option to set 2 different driver positions in case you have multiple drivers in your family. On the side here, you have your rear venting windows for your 3rd row seating. You have your traction control, your park assist sensors, your 360-degree bird's eye view camera, as well as with your limited package, you have your heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Right here, you can adjust the height of your rear lights for when you are towing. You can also turn on and off your power sliding doors. Below you see you have your Sienna's full set of all-weather floor mats installed. You do have a power adjustable driver's seat. Your passenger side is also power adjustable, so everyone's riding away in the ultimate comfort. And again, a better look at those stunning brown leather interiors all throughout with that white contrasting stitching to add that extra touch. And in the rear there, they have a power tilt and slide moonroof, and at the front you also additionally have another one just to let in all of that fresh air. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Sienna with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake there and you hit that push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that welcome screen and your ambient lighting. Taking a look at your multi-information display right now, it is open to your Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety systems. What you can do is you can control that menu with your steering wheel mounted controls, things like turning on and off those alerts, like your pre-collision system, and setting the sensitivity of those sensors, like for your lane departure alert. You also do have your volume control, mode changers, voice command, and hands-free calling mounted on your steering wheel. And in addition to that, you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which is a distance keeping feature part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Your cruise control can be set from below your steering wheel, and check out that detailing put in your leather wrapped. Over here on your LCD screen, it's a nice large format with modern styling. Opening up your navigation system integrated into your Sienna. Here it is a very straightforward system, and you should definitely come on in and punch in your home address and see how it works for you. Now it's prompting you to sync your Entune app suite. So your Sienna comes equipped with applications from your Entune 3.0, things like your NPR radio, as well as weather and sport updates, all synced through your phone through Bluetooth or USB. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that you have your backup camera on one side where you can change the angle of the lens to have a wide angle or a standard. You also do have on this side here your 360-degree bird's eye view camera. So turning on your park assist sensors first, then you can manually turn on your 360 cam, which does a full walk around of your vehicle even before you leave your driveway or that parking spot. You can make sure everything is nice and clear, keeping you and everything important to you nice and safe. Opening up your audio system now, you have your AM FM radio. You also do have your Sirius XM radio with your CD player on top, your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. This rear music controls the volume for the speakers back there. You also do have your tri-zone climate control, which your rear passengers do have a climate control panel that they can adjust the temperature for themselves. You can also set a different temperature for your driver, your passenger side, and choose to sync them all together. You have your electronic automatic climate control for the ultimate convenience, and of course your air conditioning for those hot summer months. Here we're seeing that wood grain trim again on your shift knob. You also do have your sport drive mode. Below here you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your 12-volt DC charger, your USB auxiliary input, additional cup holders because sometimes you need that extra cup of coffee. Below here you also do have your Blu-ray player with your SD card reader for your dual screen Blu-ray player for your rear passengers, making sure everybody is kept happy. In here you can see that those final touches in your Sienna, the wood grain trim and that ambient lighting. Inside your center console, nice sophisticated system with plenty of space to store everything that you need. On the back of your center console you have two USB chargers plus a 120 volt AC plug-in, so that everyone in the back can charge their media as well. And check out that leather trim on your dashboard compartment. You also do have that wood grain trim plus your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Sienna, plus there's that lock to keep everything nice and safe. Plenty of style, function, and options built right into your 2018 Sienna, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sienna. To activate that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob there and it'll pop open for you. A nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Right now you have your third row seating installed, but check out all that space that's still available to you in the back to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy bag hooks for your groceries so they're not rolling around. You have some additional storage on the side here. You also do have your 120 volt AC plug-in as well as your 12 volt DC charger. You have a handy cargo lamp for visibility, plus all your tools and your jack stored on the side here.
All the instructions are listed on the back to tuck away your third row seating to offer just the right amount of versatility and open cargo space for when you have to carry larger items. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sienna all-wheel drive XLE 7-passenger with the limited package. Built right into your Sienna is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to ensure you're riding away in the ultimate safety and comfort. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.